Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on home screen iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, if your WhatsApp notification is not showing on your iPhone home screen or the lock screen and you want this to happen, all you simply want to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. On the settings, scroll down, locate and click on notifications. Once you click on that, you want to scroll down where you see notification star. Then go ahead and open the WhatsApp application, whose notification you want to enable. Then turn on allow notifications. Once that is enabled, then for you to be able to display notifications on your WhatsApp home screen or on the lock screen, make sure you check lock screen, notification center, and maybe banners. And after that, you are good. So when next you have an incoming messages on your WhatsApp and your iPhone screen is locked, this is going to turn on the notifications on the home screen or the lock screen. And then you are good. So that is basically how to fix WhatsApp notification not showing on home screen iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.